Welcome to my new video. In this tutorial, we will deal with the technical aspect of preparing a business card for printing. This is the result obtained in PDF format. So let's get started. By clicking on the new document icon, we will get this window where we will first set up our document for work. Let's say the name will be business card. We choose the desired color mode CMYK or RGB. We will adjust the size of the desktop or page. In my case it will be 90 by 50 millimeters. Of course, according to your preferences, you can enter some other values. The orientation will be a landscape resolution of 300 points. In the layout section, we will turn on bleed and enter, say, 4 millimeters. When we are satisfied with that, click OK. As we can see, these are the dimensions of our business card. This is the bleed area. Since I already have a business card ready, I will copy it and paste it into a new document. When we turn on the wireframe view from the View drop-down menu, this is the surface of the business card, that is, the work area, while all this outside the desktop, that is, the page, would be removed in the further process of graphic finishing. I'll go back to the enhanced preview, and when I choose File Print, I'll choose the printer, in this case the PDF virtual printer. We click on the print preview. We will make all settings in the print preview window. When we click on Options, and then on Printer Properties, we will select the paper size on which the business cards will be printed. Let's say it's A4 format. Portrait. Click on Apply, then on OK. Then we select Layout Imposition tool, and in the Page Across option, we enter a value of 2 for columns and 5 for rows, and everywhere you see these scissors a cut mark will be displayed. Now that we're done with this step, we'll set the cutting lines. Click on the Marks Placement tool and turn on the Place Crop Mark option. When we zoom in, we will see that our lines have entered the part that is actually printed, so it is necessary to move these cutting lines outside the area of the actual print. I go back to the print options, and on the Prepress tab I see that crop fold marks are turned on. And on the Layout tab I will turn on the bleed limit, whose value is 4 millimeters, because we set it that way when setting up this document at the beginning of the video. In older versions of CorelDRAW, the bleed limit can be found on the Layout tab. We click Apply and then click OK. Now all the cutting lines are outside the surface of the print itself. Press Print, choose where we want to save it, and wait for the PDF file to be generated. In this way, we got a PDF document, with the desired layout and cutting marks, which is ready for printing. I hope you found this short tutorial useful, and see you in the next one.